Hey crafters! Today I'm going to show you how to use the Play-Doh activity box with your Cricut machine, using my custom template. Let's go step by step. First, upload SVG files 1 and 2 to your project in Design Space. Then, ungroup both files so you can work with the elements separately. Now, select the score lines and change the operation from cut to score. This will make your Cricut create fold lines instead of cutting. Next, choose the background image, which is the pattern paper included in your purchase. Resize it to 20 centimeters so it matches the size of the base. Select both the base of your template and the background paper, and use the slice function. Delete the extra pieces and the original base, leaving only the silhouette with the pattern applied. Now, change the color of the small box if you want to customize it. Select Print Then Cut for that part, since it will be printed before cutting. Attach the score lines to the correct template, so the fold marks align properly. You might see a warning if your material size doesn't match. Just remember, this template is designed for letter size paper. Adjust the paper size if needed to avoid any issues during cutting. And finally, add the PNG image with transparency and resize it to fit your design. And that's it, crafters. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative projects.